Hey friends, are you looking for a legit work-from-home job where you can earn up to Rs 25,000 per month without any investment? Then stick with me because I'm breaking down exactly how you can join SquadStack, ace the application, and start making money, all from the comfort of your own home. So, what is SquadStack? It's a third-party platform that partners with big names like Upstocks, Ola, Moneyview, and more to provide real telecalling opportunities. Students, homemakers, or anyone needing extra income, this could be perfect for you. Now let's talk about the earning potential. If you log in a full 8-hour workday, you can make up to Rs 25,000 per month. But even if you can't commit full-time, part-time options are available. Your pay is based directly on the number of calls or tasks you complete, plus your total working hours. So, the more effort you put in, the more you can earn. Let's quickly go over what you'll need before you get started. A stable Wi-Fi connection. A laptop with at least 4 GB RAM, 6 GB, and an i5 processor is even better. Your mobile phone for notifications and calls. A quiet workspace, some water, a notebook, and access to PDFs with client information. Alright, ready to join? Here's how you sign up first. Visit the SquadStack partner app or dashboard. Register using your mobile number and email. Don't forget, OTP verification is required. Next up, the assessment phase. You'll need to pass a grammar test, a speech test, and a short telephonic interview. Don't worry, there are tons of videos and tips online to help you prepare. Once you clear these, you're in. Now, let's talk about the daily workflow. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with available campaigns from different companies. Simply select a campaign, pick up tasks, and start making calls to leads provided by the client. You'll get a ready-made script to follow, so you don't have to worry about what to say. If a number's switched off, mark it after 2 tries and move to the next one. All your call details like the number of calls, time spent, and success rate are tracked in the app. Plus, you get daily reports to help you stay on target and improve. Now, for my favorite part, pro tips to maximize your earnings. Keep your workspace tidy so you stay focused. Take notes during calls. It really helps with your performance. Study the client PDFs, they're gold for better conversations. Always keep your phone charged and ready. And yes, you're allowed to take breaks during your shift. The best part? You don't need to invest a single rupee to start working. This is truly a zero investment, high potential earning opportunity. You can even treat it as a side hustle. And if you want to see real payment proofs and breakdowns, check out the follow-up videos on this channel. So if you want more guides like this, plus tips on passing the assessments, maximizing your income, and staying updated on the latest online earning opportunities, hit that subscribe button now. Like and share the video so more people can discover genuine work-from-home jobs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.